Hi, thanks for joining me. This is just an explanation of the lessons that I'm giving you so you can soon understand the Jamaican language very well and who knows one day talk it fluently. The structure is first I tell you a story or do a commentary in Jamaican patois, but immediately afterwards I tell you in English what I said. So keep joining me, and soon you will be able to understand everything a Jamaican says, and one day you may even learn to chat like a me. Have yourself a wonderful day.